Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, this powerful root is a go-to ingredient for improving overall well-being. Today, let's explore some of the amazing ways you can use ginger to support your health. One of the most popular uses of ginger is for soothing digestive issues. If you're dealing with nausea, indigestion, or bloating, a cup of ginger tea can work wonders. Simply steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 10 minutes, and you'll have a calming remedy for your stomach. Ginger is also an excellent natural remedy for colds and flu. Its warming properties help boost circulation and fight off infections. Try making a soothing ginger and honey tea to ease a sore throat or clear up congestion. Add a squeeze of lemon for an extra dose of vitamin C for those struggling with joint pain or inflammation. Ginger can provide relief. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce swelling and discomfort. Drinking ginger tea or applying a ginger compress to affected areas can offer some much-needed relief. Ginger can also improve blood circulation and support heart health. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Incorporating fresh ginger into your meals or smoothies is a simple way to reap these benefits. If you're looking to boost your energy and fight fatigue, ginger can help with that too. It naturally enhances blood flow, keeping you more alert and energized throughout the day. Start your morning with a ginger-infused smoothie to feel revitalized. From aiding digestion to improving immunity and reducing inflammation, ginger is a versatile and natural remedy worth including in your daily routine. Whether in teas, meals, or as a topical treatment, its benefits are backed by both tradition and science. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural remedies and healthy living. Let us know in the comments how you use ginger in your daily life.